How to fix Servant of the Lake crashing on Steam. So first you will need to right click the game in your library and then open up the properties. Now in the general tab you will need to add -dx11 to the launch options. Then go to installed files and verify the integrity of game files. And once this process is completed, you can close Steam. Next, you will need to open up your browser and navigate to the Microsoft link that you can find below in the description. And from here, you will need to download and install the redistributables. You will need the 86 installer and the 64. You should download and install both of them, and this will ask you to restart your computer once you're done. And right after the restart, you'll also need to update your GPU. So if you have an NVIDIA card, you will need this NVIDIA app installed on your computer. Then go to drivers and make sure to check for the latest driver update and install it. And if you have AMD, you can download and install the AMD software to update your driver. And all you need to do now is start Steam as admin, right click on Steam and run as admin, and then just launch the game from your library. And this should solve the crash problem. Thanks for watching and subscribe.